Emotional intelligence, the secret superpower we all need. Imagine a superpower that makes you better at work, relationships, and life itself. It's not magic, but it's transformational. It's emotional intelligence. From mastering your emotions to understanding others, this is the key to unlocking your potential. So are you ready to uncover the secret weapon hiding in plain sight? Let's dive in. Now remember, this is education mixed with entertainment. So with that being said, let's analyze this train of thought accordingly. So what is emotional intelligence? Well, emotional intelligence, or EI, is the ability to recognize, understand, and manage your emotions while effectively navigating and influencing the emotions of others. It's not just about being nice. It's a skill set that empowers communication, decision-making, and leadership. Psychologists highlight 5 core components: self-awareness, self-regulation, motivation, empathy, and social skills. By mastering these, you don't just improve yourself, you elevate everyone around you. So what makes EI so powerful? Let's explore how it changes the game. So why is emotional intelligence a superpower? Think about the most successful leaders, negotiators, or friends you know. They likely possess emotional intelligence. Why? Because EI enhances your ability to connect authentically, diffuse conflicts, and inspire trust. It sharpens decision making by balancing logic and emotion. And research shows people with high EI earn more, enjoy stronger relationships, and lead happier lives. Whether at work or home, emotional intelligence equips you to turn challenges into opportunities. So how do we cultivate emotional intelligence? Now, developing EI isn't about being perfect, it's about being intentional. Start by practicing self-awareness, journal your feelings, and reflect on your reactions. Next, work on empathy, listen actively and imagine others' perspectives. And build social skills by engaging in meaningful conversations. Finally, embrace self-regulation by pausing before reacting and channeling emotions constructively. Now, the good news is that emotional intelligence is learnable. With time, you'll notice profound changes in how you lead, connect, and thrive. So here are some final observations. Emotional intelligence is the secret superpower we all need, one that transforms interactions, decisions, and relationships. It's not reserved for a lucky few. It's accessible to anyone willing to practice and grow. The world is full of challenges, but with EI, you hold the ultimate tool to navigate them with grace, resilience, and purpose. So start your journey today and discover the superhero within. Now, because I want you to think, instead of telling you what to think, consider exploring these 3 thought-provoking questions. Question number 1. How well do I understand nonverbal cues in social settings? Now, social intelligence involves interpreting body language, tone, and facial expressions. So reflect on how accurately you pick up these subtle signs and how they influence your interactions. Question number 2. Am I adept at adapting my communication style to different audiences? So effective social intelligence requires tailoring your approach based on the individual or group you're engaged with. Assess your ability to adjust your language, tone, and behavior to suit diverse social contexts. And finally, question 3. How do I manage conflicts or navigate challenging social dynamics? Now, social intelligence includes resolving disagreements gracefully. So consider how you handle tension, negotiate solutions, and maintain positive relationships despite differences. So that's the end of today's journey. Now, if you want to support the channel, like, subscribe, and watch the content. And with that being said, I sincerely hope this video has provided value.